Goldman Sachs eyeing Bitcoin ETF roll via BlackRock and Grayscale. Sources: Goldman Sachs is in talks to play the key role of being an authorized participant for BlackRock and Grayscale's Bitcoin ETFs, if the SEC approves them, according to people familiar with the situation. 10 years of decentralizing the future, May 29 to 31, 2024, Austin, Texas. The biggest and most established global hub for everything crypto, blockchain and Web3. Register now. Goldman Sachs, the high-profile Wall Street investment bank, looks likely to play a key role for the Bitcoin ETFs that BlackRock and Grayscale want to introduce in the US, according to two people familiar with the situation. The company is in talks to be an authorized participant, or AP, for the exchange-traded funds, according to the people, who requested anonymity. That's one of the most important jobs in the multi-trillion-dollar ETF industry, a role that involves creating and redeeming ETF shares to ensure the products trade in lockstep with their underlying assets. Goldman Sachs would join other finance giants in taking on that role. Last week, it was announced that JP Morgan Chase, Jane Street and Cantor Fitzgerald would take on the AP job for some of the dozen or so companies seeking the Securities and Exchange Commission's permission to offer Bitcoin ETFs in the US. Read more. JP Morgan CEO's Bitcoin bashing is a do as I say, not as I do situation, and many more names are likely to emerge, though the ones that have come out so far are among the biggest firms in US finance. Follow the URL for the full article. For more on this story, visit the news article link.